Hi, my name's Will with Copper Pipe Plumbing Services here in Maineville, Ohio. Our phone number is 513-813-7526, and we're located at www.copperpipeplumbingservicesinc.com. Now, today we're going to talk about how to know when your water heater is starting to go bad or needs repairs. One of the biggest signs, of course, is water coming around the bottom. You start seeing water appear around the bottom that's coming from the tank. It could be coming from the top of the water heater too. It could be shooting out the side. We've seen them all different ways. That's the first sign that you're leaking. You might need to replace your water heater. Also, other signs that you might need to repair on your water heater. If you have an electric water heater, you could possibly be noticing no hot water. You could be noticing like it stays lukewarm, and that's a sign that your elements might need replaced to your thermostat. Unfortunately, in this area that we live in here on the east side of town, the water quality is so bad if you don't have a water softener, it will build up sediment in it. So sometimes it's hard to replace those parts because your water heater will be so full of sediment. That's pretty much the gist on the electric water heaters. But now as far as gas water heaters, you may notice that it just ain't staying hot very long. You may notice a smell of gas in the area, and you'll notice the water leaks again. That's a sign that you got something going wrong. Like I said, if you notice the water leak in your tank, it needs replaced. And the only water leak that may possibly be a repair is coming off the TNP valve here. So down at the bottom of this piece of copper, if you see water coming out, that might be a sign this needs replaced. And it also could be a sign that your expansion tank isn't set right here. So you need an expansion tank in Ohio if you have a closed system. So if it has a check valve or a pressure reducing valve, you have to have an expansion tank in, and that allows somewhere for the water when it heats up to go, so it doesn't drip out your TMP tube here. So once again, those are some of the signs that can be going wrong with your heater. We can fix some stuff, but like I say, if you start getting a water leak, you're probably time for a new one. So just to give us a call today, we do service the Maineville, Ohio area, the Loveland, Ohio area, Mason, Morrow, Westchester. We also do Pleasant Plain. We also do Montgomery, and all these areas on the east side of town. We even come to other areas too. Give us a call today at 513-813-7526. And once again, you can go to www.copperpipeplumbingservicesinc.com. And hey, have a great day.